Hello everybody, muraho mwese. How are you today? Uyu munsi mumeze mute? Are you okay? Ese mumeze neza? I hope so. Ndabyizeye. Are you happy? Ese murishimye? I hope so. Nabyo ndabyizeye. Welcome to Ishuri ry'Icyongereza YouTube channel. Mbahaye ikaze kuri iyi channel yitwa Ishuri ry'Icyongereza. This is Jean de Dieu Uwingabiye from Rwanda. Muri kumwe na Jean de Dieu Uwingabiye guturuka mu gihugu cy'u Rwanda. Today I'm going to teach you English Gerund. Uyu munsi ngiye kubigisha amagambo yitwara nk'izina yitwa Gerund akoreshwa mu Cyongereza. So now let's get started. Noneho ubu ngubu mureke tujye mbere. Gerund is usually defined as a word ending in ing. Ubusanzwe gerund isobanurwa nk'ijambo riherukwa na ing, that is formed from a verb, rikaba rikozwe mu nshinga, and that function as a noun, kandi rikaba rikora nk'izina. Reformed gerunds use the base form plus ing. Kugira ngo dukore gerunds, dukoresha umuzi w'inshinga kongeraho ing. Kwa kundi inshinga ibiri yonyine babyita base form. Don't forget the rules for spelling of ing form of verbs. Ntimwibagirwe amategeko y'imyandikire y'iyi miterere ya ing y'inshinga. Verb plus ing gives us noun. Iyo ufashe inshinga ukomekaho ing biguha izina. Work plus ing, working, gukora. Pay plus ing, paying, kwishyura. Improve plus ing, improving, kunoza. Aya magambo yose twandikishije ibara ry'umutuku yitwa gerund, akaba yitwaye nk'izina. Specifically, it is used as. By'umwihariko ikoreshwa nka subject ruhamwa, object of preposition, icyuzuzo cy'indangahantu cyangwa indangagihe cyangwa indangakintu runaka, direct object, icyuzuzo cy'ako kanya, subject complement, icyuzuzo cya ruhamwa, and appositive n'ijambo mburabuzi. A gerund can be the subject of a sentence. Gerund ishobora kuba ruhamwa y'interuro. It is always singular. Kandi igihe cyose ibiri mu buke iba ari ikintu kimwe. Subject is something that is being discussed. Iyo tuvuze subject ni ikintu kiri kuvugwaho, icyo twita ruhamwa. Mu yandi magambo ni ukora ikintu. How to find the subject? Ese ni gute wabona ruhamwa? By asking, wayibona ubaza, what word is the sentence telling something about? Ese ni igiki, ni irihe jambo interuro irimo iratubwiraho? What word ni irihe jambo is the sentence telling something about? Inshinga irimo kuvugaho, irimo iratubwiraho. Choosing a candidate takes time. Gutoranya umukandida bitwara igihe. Choosing ni subject. Choosing is a subject. Verb here is takes. Inshinga hano yabaye take. Windsurfing is very exciting. Dore windsurfing icyo ari cyo. Itegereze iyi foto y'uyu mugabo. Ibyo ari gukora nibyo twita windsurfing. Kiriya gikorwa cyangwa ruriya rugendo umuntu umwe akorera mu nyanja ahagaze kuri iriya boat cyangwa ruriya rubaho rwagenewe kurambika ku mazi maze ukagendera ku nyanja, babyita windsurfing. Kansubiremo interuro. Windsurfing is very exciting. Kugendera ku nyanja uri umwe birashimisha cyane. Iyi windsurfing ni inshinga yitwaye nk'izina, ariko inshinga hano yabaye verb is, ni kuba. Windsurfing birashimisha cyane. Traveling might satisfy your desire for new experiences. Gutembera bishobora kunyura ikwifuza kwawe kugira ngo ugire experience cyangwa se ubunararibonye bushya. Muri iyi nteruro traveling ni gutembera, ni ruhamwa, naho satisfy ikaba inshinga. Now let us look at object of a preposition. Nukureba cya kintu kizi nyuma ya preposition. Preposition ubundi bisobanuye indangahantu, indangacyuzuzo, indangagihe, ibintu nk'ibyo. Number 1, prepositions, izo ndangahantu ngizi. About, ku. Kwa iyi about uyikoresha uri kuvuga ku kintu, uyikoresha bivuga ibyerekeranye. Above, above, hejuru ya. Muzumva indirimbo ivuga ngo above all powers, above all powers, above all kings. Ni ukuvuga ngo hejuru y'imbaraga zose, hejuru y'abami bose. Across bivuga kwambukiranya, ishobora kuba across the road, kwambukiranya umuhanda, across the sea, kwambukiranya inyanja cyangwa se amazi. After bivuga nyuma, after class, nyuma yo kwiga, after studying, nyuma yo kwiga. Against bihanganye. Urugero, amakipe ashobora kuba ahanganye cyangwa se ingabo zihanganye. Ikunda kugera n'inshinga zihanganishije ibintu bibiri. Nko kurwanya ikintu, kimwe kirwanya ikindi. Urugero, fight against. Ubwo uvuze ngo kurwanya icyo kintu ugiye kuvuga urwanyije, wongeraho against. Urugero, kurwanya sida, fight against HIV, AIDS. Cyangwa se kurwanya umwanzi, fight against the enemy. Along, ku murongo. Urugero, ushobora kuba ugenda mu muhanda ukavuga ngo I am walking along the road. Ndimo ndagenda ku muhanda ugororotse. Amid bivuze hagati y'ibintu byinshi, ni kimwe na among. Amid bivamo ijambo middle, kuba in the middle, kuba urimo hagati. Urugero, ushobora kuvuga ngo nari nicaye hagati mu iteraniro. I was sitting amid the service. I was sitting amid the congregation. Nari nicaye mu iteraniro ry'abantu benshi. Nanone mu cyimbo cya amid wavuga among. around. Around bisobanuye hafi ya, ni kimwe na near. Ushobora kuvuga ngo runaka ari hafi. Someone is around bivuga hafi, ariko around ibirimo ijambo umuzenguruko. At ni indangahantu. Ushobora kuvuga uti I am at home, ndi mu rugo. At work, ku kazi. At school, ku ishuri. Naho before bivuga imbere cyangwa mbere ya. Urugero ushobora kuvuga ngo before studying, mbere yo kwiga. Reka mvuge ngo before sleeping I say my prayers. Mbere yo gusinzira mbanza gusenga. Behind bivuga inyuma. A tree is behind the house. Igiti kiri inyuma y'inzu. Behind. Below bivuga hasi cyangwa munsi. Abanyeshuri, students, when you get examinations, you can answer below questions. Abanyeshuri iyo mubonye ibizamini musubiza munsi y'ibibazo. Iyo below ivuga munsi. Beneath ivuga nayo munsi, ariko munsi y'inda y'isi. Urugero ushobora kuvuga uti something is shaking beneath the soil. Hari ikintu kirimo gutigita munsi y'ubutaka. Beneath. Beside bisobanuye iruhande. Beside ushobora kuvuga ngo I am sitting beside John. Nicaye iruhande rwa Yohani. Nanone tubona besides ni ngo nanone. Urugero ushobora kuvuga ngo I speak English and besides this I sing. Nanone nkanaririmba. Between hagati y'ibintu bibiri. Ushobora kuvuga ngo John is between Peter and Mary. Cyangwa Mary is sitting between Peter and John. Maria yicaye hagati ya Petero na John. Beyond bivuga hirya. Ikunze gukoreshwa ku ngendo. Ushobora kuvuga uti I traveled beyond the world. Natembereye hirya y'isi. But ariko. By ku. Concerning byerekeranye. Despite nubwo. Down hasi. During mu gihe. Except kereka. For kubwo. From guturuka. In mu. Inside mimbere. Into mo. Like nka. Near hafi. Of cha. Off uvuyeho. Onto kuri. Opposite birebana. Out hanze. Outside hanze. Over hejuru mu kirere. Past urenze. Since guhera. Through muri. Throughout mu. Till kugeza. Kugera. To ku. Ikunda gukoreshwa ugiye nk'ahantu. Iyo to. I'm going to school. Ngiye ku ishuri. Toward ugana. Under munsi, nko munsi y'ameza. Under the table. Under the bed. Munsi y'igitanda. Underneath. Underneath nayo ni munsi y'itaka, munsi y'inda y'isi. Underneath. Ushobora kuvuga something is shaking underneath. Cyangwa se underneath the carpet there is a key. Munsi ya tapi harimo urufunguzo. Urumva ko tapi bari yaruhishe. Underneath ibitwikiriye. Until kugera. Up hejuru. Upon kuri. With hamwe na. Within muri. Without nta. Now, let us look at object of a preposition. Ubu rero mureke turebe icyuzuzo cy'indangahantu. After 3 hours, Steve was tired of studying. After ni preposition. Reka nsobanura ino nteruro mbere yo gusobanura amagambo twaciyeho akarongo. Nyuma y'amasaha 3, Stefano yarananijwe no kwiga. After 3 hours, Steve was tired of studying. Nyuma y'amasaha 3, Stefano yarananijwe no kwiga. After ni preposition. Rero tugiye kureba gerund yakoreshejwe hehe. Gerund ya nshinga ifite ing yaje nyuma ya of. Mbibutse ko of ari preposition. Of ni nkuko twavuga ikintu cya. Ubwo nuvuga ngo ariko iyo ukoresheje adjective kunanizwa n'ikintu, tired of kunanizwa na. Ariko nk'urugero ushobora ngo igitabo cy'icyongereza, the book of English, ariko yari igikorwa wongeraho ing. He's excited about playing tennis. Anejejwe no gukina tennis cyangwa se umukino wa tennis. Ijambo about murabona ko ryakurikiwe na playing, ntabwo bavuga ngo about play. Mbibutse abantu bajya bavuga ngo after to study baba bakoze amakosa, ntabwo wakoresha prepositions ebyiri ngo uvuge ngo after to study ni amakosa, ahubwo ushyiraho gerund ukavuga ngo after studying, nyuma yo kwiga. Niyo mpamvu utavuga ngo he's excited about to play, ahubwo uravuga ngo he's excited about playing tennis. Bivuze excited ubundi ni ukwishimira cyane, yishimiye cyane gukina tennis. Reka turebere hamwe by, which is followed by gerund. By ongeyeho gerund. Example, urugero, you get good grades by studying hard. Ni ukuvuga ngo ubona grade cyangwa se amanota meza mu gihe wize cyane. Iyo by ibigaragaza ikintu ugiye gukora. Go plus gerund. Tugiye kureba go ikurikiwe na gerund. Example, urugero, I will go fishing with you tomorrow. Nzajya kurobana nawe ejo. Ku bantu bajya nko mu bwato, cya gikorwa ubwato bukora nanone bugenda ku mazi babyita sailing. Ubwo uvuga ngo I'll go sailing, nzajya gutwara ubwato ku mazi. Bwa bundi bw'umuvure bwitwa canoe. Common preposition combinations followed by gerunds. Turebere hamwe indangahantu rusange zikunda guhuzwa na gerund, zikomatanyijwe zikurikiranye na gerund. Be excited about twayibonye mu nteruro, bisobanuye kunezezwa no gukora ikintu. Complain about ni ukwinubira ikintu. Talk about ni ukuganira ku kintu. Think about ni ugutekereza ku kintu. Naho worry about ni uguhangayikira ikintu. Apologize for gusaba imbabazi z'ikintu. Blame for kugayira umuntu ikintu. Famous for kuba ikirangirire kubw'ikintu. Believe in kwizerera mu kintu. Muzabona ku mafaranga yo muri Amerika banditse ngo we trust in God, cyangwa in God we trust. Niyo believe baba bavuga. Interested in gushishikarira ikintu. Ushobora kuvuga uti I'm interested in Jesus stories. Shishikariye ibya Yesu. Be accused of bisobanuye kuregwa. ushobora kuvuga ngo John was accused of killing. John yarezwe ubwicanyi. Insist on bisobanuye gukomeza, guhatiriza. Urugero, I insist on studying. Bisobanuye ngo mpatiriza kwiga. Count on. Count on ni nko gukurikiza. We count on the government rules. Dukurikiza amategeko ya leta. Concentrate on bivuga kwibanda. Ushobora kuvuga ngo I concentrate on teaching. Nibanda ku kwigisha. Keep from ni nko kuva. Urugero ushobora ngo keep me from evil. Nshyira kure y'ikibi. Prevent from bivuze kwirinda. Prevent from wickedness. Mwirinde ibyaha. Profit from kungukira. We profit from studying. Twungukira mu kwiga. In addition to ni ukuvuga ngo ikindi kandi. Ikindi twakongeraho. Igihe muri kuvuga ngo abanyeshuri mujya mukora icyo bita composition cyangwa essay, ukaba ugiye kuvuga ikindi kintu bavuga ngo in addition to, ugiye kuvuga ngo cyiyongereye kuri ibi ukabivuga. Look forward to ni ukuvuga gutegerezanya amatsiko ikintu. Iyi ikunze gukoreshwa iyo usoza ibaruwa. I look forward to hearing from you. Ntegerezanyije amatsiko kumva unsubize cyangwa se ntegereje igisubizo cyanyu cyiza. Be used to ni ukumenyera, kugira akamenyero. Yuvuze ngo I am used to English. Uvuze ngo menyereye icyongereza. I am used to teaching. Menyereye kwigisha. Iyo be used to nayo ikurikirwa na gerund. Aya magambo yose turangije ayo bita common preposition combinations akurikirwa na gerund. Mu biganiro tuzagenda twigisha muzagenda muyabonamo. Direct object. Icyuzuzo cy'ako kanya is a noun that receives the action of a transitive action verb. Ni izina ryakira igikorwa cy'inshinga nkeneracyuzuzo yo bita transitive verb. Generally found after action verbs. Ubusanzwe muri rusange iboneka inyuma y'inshinga zivuga ku bikorwa. You can determine if a word is a direct object by asking. Ushobora kumenya kugira ngo umenye niba ijambo ari icyuzuzo cy'ako kanya ubikora ubaza ngo whom ibaza object. What igiki, whom ibaza ku muntu, what ibaza ikintu. On their vacation, the residents discovered snorkeling. Mu biruhuko byabo abagize umuryango wa residents bavumbuye uburyo, kambibutse ko snorkeling ni uburyo bwa siporo. Urabona niba mujya mukurikira amateleviziyo cyangwa filime, hari abantu b'abacrobat, babandi bakora imikino ngororangingo, bakora basimbuka bakajya mu birere bakamanuka, aho baguye hakaba hameze nka rasoro. Iyo babyita snorkeling. Snorkeling ni kwa kundi umanuka ukikubita ukongera ukazamuka cyane. Snorkeling. Iyi rero discovered ikurikiwe na snorkeling iba yubatse mu buryo umuntu uri bugwe bugushamo ibirenge byiyongera ikamutumbagiza. Iyi yakorewe abantu bakina imikino ngororangingo. In the summer, Kara prefers swimming. Mu bihe by'izuba Kara ahitamo koga. Babwire ko swimming ni igihe uri koga mu nyanja cyangwa muri piscine. Urabona prefers ahantu twagiye tugaragaza verb, n'ahandi twakurikijeho gerund. Iyo gerund yaje ari direct object. Iyo direct object nashyizeho do, ntuzagira ngo ni do. Sophia likes jumping on the trampoline. Ni ukuvuga ngo ariko reka mbanze mbereka aya magambo aciyeho akarongo. Snorkeling. On their vacation, The residents discovered snorkeling. Snorkeling ni kwa kundi woga wambaye maske ituma amazi atakujya mu mazuru cyangwa mu kanwa. Reka mbereke snorkeling iyo ariyo. This is snorkeling. Murabona uyu muntu uri koga ikintu yambaye nicyo bita snorkeling. Snorkeling. Abatari bazi snorkeling ngiyo. Ibi nivyo bita snorkeling. Iyi maske bambara mu maso iyo uri koga washyize kiriya kintu ku munwa kuriya babyita snorkeling. Ni uburyo bwo koga ukoresheje iyo maske. Noneho rero, on their vacation the residents discovered snorkeling. Igihe bari mu biruhuko the residents abo mu muryango wa residents bavumbuye izi maske zo kogana. In the summer, Kara prefers swimming. Mu mpeshyi Kara ahitamo koga yidumbaguza. Iyo prefers niyo discovered murabona bazanditseho verb, naho ari amagambo afite ing ari snorkeling na swimming bikaba byitwa gerund, bakaba babyita direct object. Ni icyuzuzo cy'inshinga cyo bita direct cyako kanya. Sophia likes jumping on the trampoline. Trampoline reka mbereke icyari cyo. Uyu mwana muri kubona gutumbagira gutyo byatewe na trampoline, buriya aramanuka nagera hasi yongera azamuke. Iyi niyo bita trampoline. Sophia likes jumping on the trampoline. Uyu Sophia rero yishimira cyangwa akunda gusimbuka kuri iki gikoresho gitumbagiza abantu mu birere. Subject complement. Subject complement ni ukuvuga icyuzuzo cya ruhamwa. Is a noun that appears with a linking verb. Ni ijambo riboneka riri kumwe n'inshinga yitwara nka auxiliary cyangwa se inshinga ihuza. Iyo bita linking verb ndaza kuzibereka. And tell something about the subject of the sentence. Ikaba ikubwira ikintu kuri ruhamwa y'interuro. Note, icyitonderwa. A subject complement will almost always be found after linking verb. Iki cyuzuzo cya ruhamwa kiboneka hafi buri gihe gishyizwe inyuma ya linking verb, ni ukuvuga inshinga zihuzwa n'ibindi bintu. Dore za linking verbs. Here is a list of linking verbs. Dore urutonde rwa linking verbs. Ni inshinga zihuza ibindi bintu. Urugero, am, are, is. Iyo ngiyo ihuza ibintu birimo kuba. Wibuke nabigishije za tenses, nabigishije bita present continuous, verb to be niho iri. Yari muri present uvuga am, are, is. Yaba muri past ukavuga was na were. Iyo rero ari icyo bita passive, uvuga ibintu uko byakozwe, wabikorewe. I'm being. Urugero nshaka kuvuga ngo ndimo ndavurwa. I am being treated. You are being, urimo urakubikorerwa. He is being, arimo arabikorerwa. Nari ndi kubikorerwa. I was being, sibyo ndavuga ngo nari ndi gukubitwa. I was being beaten. Umwana yari arimo arakaravurwa, arimo aruhagirwa. The baby was being washed. Linking verbs zindi urabona ni verb to be. Can be gushobora kuba, could be gushobora kuba, may be gushobora kuba, might be gushobora kuba, must be kugomba kuba, shall be kuzaba, should be ukwiye kuba, will be kuzaba, would be waba, have been wabaye, has been yabaye, had been yari yabaye, could have been ashobora kuba yabaye, may have been ashobora kuba yabaye, might have been ashobora kuba yabaye, must have been agomba kuba yabaye, shall have been azaba yabaye, should have been akwiye kuba yabaye, will have been azaba yabaye, would have been yaba yabaye. Izo bazita linking verbs. What I really like is traveling to other countries. Iyo like tugiye kuyishyiraho rero nka linking. Iyo is tugiye kuza nka linking ihuza continuous. What I really like is traveling to other countries. Ibyo nkunda mu by'ukuri ni ugutemberera mu bindi bihugu. Seeing is believing. Kubona ni ukwizera. One of Lona's hobbies is sewing. Umwe mu mikino ishimisha cyangwa se mumwe mu byo Lona akunda ni ukudoda. Sewing. Appositive. A word in a position is placed next to another word. Appositive. A word in a position, iyo tuvuze ko ijambo riri muri apposition, is placed next to another word. Ni riba rishyizwe iruhande rw'irindi zina, rw'irindi jambo. Noun placed to another, igihe izina rishyizwe ku rindi zina, another noun. Noun placed to another noun to identify, renames or explain. Ni izina rishyizwe ku rindi zina ngo ririvugeho ryongere kuryita cyangwa se kurisobanura. Example: Tony's car, a sedan, ran out of gas on the bridge. Imodoka ya Tony yitwa sedan yashizemo gaze ku kiraro. Yashizemo essence ku kiraro. Iyi gas iravuga essence. Her hobby, graphology, is the study of handwriting. Her hobby, ibyo akunda aribyo bita graphology, ni isomo ryo kwiga kwandikisha intoki. Basobanuye graphology cyari kongera kuyivugaho, niyo bita appositive. Notice also that the appositives above, nanone mugomba kumenya icyo mugomba kumenya nanone nuko aya mazina nanone wongera ukayita tuvuze haruguru, a set of by commas, agenda ashyirwamo agabanywa n'akitso, atandukanywa n'akitso. The commas indicate that these appositives are not essential to the basic meaning of the sentence. Utu twitso tuba tugaragaza ko izo appositives zitari ngombwa kugira ngo igisobanuro cy'ibanze cy'interuro kiboneke. I have a new hobby, cooking. Mfite ikintu gishyashya nkunda ni uguteka. The best form of exercise, walking, is also the least expensive. Umwitozo mwiza cyane navuga kuteneza, gutembera, kugenda n'amaguru, nanone urahenze cyane, ntabwo uhenze cyane. Her job, analyzing data brought in by satellites, is exciting. Akazi ke ariko ko gusesengura ibintu kazanywe n'ibyogajuru karashimishije. Ibintu byazanywe n'ibyogajuru karashimishije. Dancing helps a person lose weight. Kubyina bifasha umuntu gutakaza ibiro. On summer nights, the family enjoys picnicking. Mu bihe bya nijoro by'impeshyi, imiryango inezezwa no gukora picnic ingendo shuri. She expanded her vocabulary by reading. Yongereye amagambo ye akomeye asoma. Weeding has improved the appearance of the yard. Weeding ni ukubagara. Kubagara byatumye ubuso bugaragara neza. Byanogeje ishusho igaragara y'ubuso cyangwa se y'ikibanza. The parakeet's main pastime, chirping, prevents loneliness. The parakeet's main pastime, chirping, prevents loneliness. Ni ukuvuga rero parakeet ni iyi ngiyi. Ese waba uzi izi nyoni uko zitwa mu kinyarwanda? Muri comment ndashaka icyo kinyarwanda. Pastime chirping prevents loneliness. Ubwigunge. At the age of 5, Winston began acting. Afite imyaka 5, Winston nibwo yatangiye gukina filime. Write the gerund or gerunds in each sentence. Label each one as a subject, object of preposition, direct object, subject complement, or appositive. Igihe wandika gerund cyangwa se za gerunds muri buri nteruro, label ni ugushyira akamenyetso kuri ruhamwa, niba ari uguca akarongo, object of preposition, ruhamwa icyuzuzo cya preposition, direct object icyuzuzo, subject complement icyuzuzo cya ruhamwa, cyangwa appositive. Mwibuke ko appositive twa kundi wongera gusubiramo izina ariko uri kurivuga mu bundi buryo. Urugero, climbing is her favorite activity. Ngo kurira ni igikorwa yagize nyambere. Iyi rero climbing ifite subject. Voting is an important responsibility. Mugiye kugenda mugaragaza, uru ni urugero nabahaye. Ni ukuvuga ngo labeling ni ukuvuga izina. Climbing is her favorite activity. Ibi ngibi byiswe subject. Iyo climbing yabaye subject. Ngaho hano rero mbwira. Voting is an important responsibility. Ese hano voting ni igiki? Muri bya nimaze kukubwira, ese voting yaba ari subject, yaba ari object of preposition, yaba ari direct object, yaba ari subject complement cyangwa ari appositive? Ngaho muri comment subiza. Voting is an important responsibility. Urabona nawe ko yatangiye nka subject. In summer, Liam prefers hiking. Ubu rero yaje nka direct object. Prefers hiking. Yaje ari cyuzuzo. Allen loves eating on rainy days. Allen loves eating. Iyo eating yaje yuzuza iki? Loves. Ubwo ni iki? Ni subject complement. The worst feeling, hating a friend, have no good effect. Ndagusomera interuro nzigusobanurire, nawe muri comment uzavumbure niba ari subject, iyo gerund ni igiki muri biriya ari amagambo mberetse. The worst, kampere hejuru ku cyambere. Voting is an important responsibility. Gutora ni ikintu cy'ingenzi. In summer, Liam prefers hiking. Mu mpeshyi Liam ahitamo gukora siporo kuri neige, ku rubura. Allen loves eating on rainy days. Allen akunda kurya mu minsi y'imvura. The worst feeling, ibyiyumviro bibi cyane. Hating a friend, kwanga inshuti. Have no good effect, kutagira impinduka. Loving is trusting, gukunda ni ukwizerana. She passed her exam because of studying hard. Yatsinze ikizamini cye kuko yarize cyane. Teaching is the noblest profession. Kwigisha ni umwuga w'icyubahiro kuruta indi yose. Every politician's goal, buri munyapolitiki intego ye. Helping, gufasha, is sometimes fake. Rimwe na rimwe hari igihe iba ibintu bitari byo. Joe really likes playing basketball. Joe mu by'ukuri akunda gukina umupira w'intoki wa basket. What the policemen do is catching criminals. Ibyo abapolisi bakora ni ugufata abisha amategeko. Our meeting at the station was a surprise. Inama yacu kuri sitasiyo yari gutungurana. The team excelled in batting and running. Ikipe yagize ubuzobere mu gukubita inkoni, mu gukubita umupira no kwiruka. Stephanie loved excitement and dancing. Stephanie yarishimye, yarakunze ibintu binejeje ndetse aranabyina. Keila's favorite exercise is jogging. Umwitozo akunda Keila ni ukwirukanka buhoro buhoro. My passion, serving people, gives me satisfaction. Umuhamagaro wanjye, gukorera abantu, bimpereza kunyurwa. Thanks very much for watching this YouTube channel contents. If this is your first time to follow us, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Turabashimira kuba mwadukurikiye. Niba ari ubwa mbere kuri iyi channel, ntibibagirwe gukanda subscribe, like and share. Kandi uyikunde ukande kuri icyo gikumwe kireba hejuru. Kandi ukande no kuri share, uhite uyishyira kuri WhatsApp yawe uyoherereza abantu ukunda. Bye bye for now.